Amazing Grace is another person's fast with Toy Story. Yay!
Amazing Graces!
Another person's fast food Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Graces!
Another person's fast food Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah, baby. Okay, so I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's fast food toy story. And boy, have I got a toy for you. Okay, our toy for today is none other than dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Look at this awesome toy. Okay, it is called Bird Guide, and this was actually given away by Chick-fil-A. Yeah, you probably have been familiar with this because I've been constantly talking about it for the past couple of vlogs. Remember the cow that's constantly advertising that the chickens in Chick-fil-A are delicious? I thought it was very hilarious because, yeah, who would have thought that a cow would actually advertise chicken? And yeah, in a lot of ways, I think it makes a lot of sense because since the cow wanted to spare himself, he'd much rather advertise chicken so that people won't be craving for beef burgers. Okay, so that's the funny side of that advertising campaign by Chick-fil-A. Anyway, I heard even without the advertising of this Chick-fil-A cow, I heard that Chick-fil-A's chickens are really very delicious. Okay, it can be rivaled with that of Popeyes or probably Kentucky Fried Chicken or the crispy chicken McDo. Anyway, so they also have kiddie meals, and one of the toys that was given away through their Chick-fil-A Kids is this bird guide, which has the likeness of an actual bird. I don't know what kind of bird is this orange bird, but like it says here, it's a bird guide, and the tail is actually a guide for you, especially when you're bird watching. So it will basically teach you what kind of birds you might be sighting. Okay, like this for example. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, this is actually an American crow. Okay, so we have an American crow. Yeah, and then some informations about the American crow, like the details, the nuances of the colors, so that you won't mistake it for another bird. And then we also have the brownie woodpecker. Okay, so that's the brownie woodpecker. And then there is also the house sparrow. Look at that. So that's the house sparrow. Okay, can you see? Okay. Next, what kind of bird? And then below are, like I said, are some more information about how they sound and some of the, peculiar characteristics of the birds. This is a mourning dove. Okay, take a look. Mourning dove. You might have chanced upon this. Okay. And then, okay, so that's basically it. Oh, there are also birds on the other side. So this is actually invertible. Okay, now on the other side, we can see the mockingbird. Wow. Mockingbird. I thought there's a song about the mockingbird. And then the house wren. This is the house wren. And then we also have our robin. Okay, I suppose this is the bird that sort of was the basis for the dynamic duo's better half, Robin. Okay, and now the leader of the Teen Titans. Now, who would have thought that the boy wonder, the sidekick of Batman, would actually turn out to be a leader? And then, last but not the least, would be the red-tailed hawk. The red-tailed hawk. Okay, a red-tailed. Okay. So that is so awesome. And then yeah, you can basically peruse through them, even if it's just a small description. It can be very helpful for you to actually describe the bird and to actually delineate all the birds that you would probably be seeing, especially during springtime. When was the season? When is usually the season where people go bird watching? You know, in the Philippines, around January, December, January, just when it's about to hit winter in the other countries like Europe or Japan. There are a lot of all sorts of odd birds that are migrating here just to escape the cold winter days or the cold winter season. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of how do you call it, pelicans, or yeah, some unusual birds. So I surmise that those birds are basically from those countries that would experience winter. Here in the Philippines, it's always summer. We only have two seasons. It's either the rainy season or the summer season or the hot season. Okay, yeah. It's either the rain or the rainy season, which is you experience a lot of monsoon, a lot of floods. Yeah, or it could be those scorching hot summer days. Okay, so now and so basically we can also do some bird watching, especially during January or February. Like I said, when all these birds are migrating here, and this would prove to be very helpful if you, especially if you're going to take it your bird watching quite seriously. This is a wonderful guide for all those bird enthusiasts. Okay, now since this is officially a part of my Percy's Fast Food toy collection, I am going to sign this to make it officially a part of my Percy's Fast Food toy collection. Okay, so that is it. And I've got to say that this is just an amazing grace. So once again, guys, let us try to be thankful to God for all the amazing grace that come into our lives, be they in the form of this amazing three-dimensional bird guide brought to us by Chick-fil-A Kids. Such a wonderful toy and a great addition to my Percy's Fast Food toy collection. Or basically, guys, let's be thankful to God for all the amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly eventful ones, or just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And I thank you guys for always tuning in to Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Thank you to the new subscribers. Please don't forget to invite your other friends to also subscribe, because we still have a lot more Percy's Fast Food Toy Stories up my sleeves. Okay, so until the next one, bye-bye for now. I hope you come back again here in Percy's Fast Food Toy Stories. So